Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna try something that every rider wants to do with their motorcycles. I'm gonna try off-roading. And because I have no experience in off-roading, I have chosen a very easy path. It's very light off-roading, it's just loose sand and wood pieces and stones. So let's see how it goes. FZ is not an off-roading bike, and even the tires are not given for off-roading. On the rear we have the Seat Zoom Rad, and on the front we have the Seat Zoom Plus. They work good in the city, but they are not perfect for an off-road situation. My FZ is a BS6 version. So what Yamaha did with BS6 is they reduced the power by 1 bhp and they increased the torque by 1 newton meters. And torque is very important for off-roading. FZ has a ground clearance of 165 mm and weighs around 135 kilos. So it's very easy to handle it in doing off-road. Also, while off-roading, it is recommended to reduce the tire pressure by 2 or 3 psi. I guess that's done to increase the contact patch between the tire and the road. While off-roading, it is recommended to stand up and ride. By standing up, you are lowering the center of gravity and leveraging the entire lower body for your control. It also gets easier to balance the motorcycle. It is easier to stand up and ride on the FZ version 3 as the handlebars are placed higher than the older models. One thing that FZ has which is good for off-roading is a very light and soft clutch. When you're off-roading, you may need to operate the clutch a lot. So whenever you're gonna buy an adventure motorcycle, you need to check that its clutch is light. As you can see, my rear wheel got stuck many times. In such situations, you are supposed to upshift and then try to move the bike.
Oh my god, suddenly.
If you try to move in low gears, the rear wheel will not get grip and will keep spinning. As you can see, this is what I was talking about. My bike was in first gear and I pulled up the throttle and the rear wheel just kept spinning. I had to use my legs to get the bike moving out of the sand. So this was my first off-road experience with my motorcycle. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends and family. And subscribe to my channel for more such motorcycle related videos. Take care, ride safe.